All right, welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed the holiday week. We're back at it Monday morning. We had that holiday break on Friday with the Christmas holiday over the course of the weekend. Last week of trading in 2021. Heading into the open, markets are into green. It seems that there's a bit of a decoupling from the markets and the Omicron variant, which has been making its way across the world right now, and it's certainly been the topic of conversation over the past couple of days with a lot of flight cancellations and a massive impact just on the holidays in general over the course of 3 or 4 day period. Now, last trading day of the week is going to be light on the economic data front. It's also going to be light probably in trading volumes since we've still got a lot of people out of the office, a lot of people on vacation, a lot of people still spending time with their families. So expect some light trading volumes, which typically brings some volatility. So we are in that Santa Claus rally period where historically we see the market further decouple from the headlines and trend higher. Again, heading into this morning's open, all the equity indices, S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq are all up. S&Ps had that record high last Thursday, up nearly 26% on the year. So it's going to be a big week for these indices to see how they trade. Oil right now trading lower by about 50 cents at $73 a barrel in WTI. And on the FX market front, we're seeing some really quiet markets right now, although we are seeing a bit of that dollar weakness and that British pound notably trading higher. So last week, let's get after it. Again, hope you had a great weekend. Time to get back to work. I'll see you folks again tomorrow.